So we'll be creating business rule in this session. Go to the rule setup, continuous monitoring, business rule. Click on create and search for data source which is active, because only active data source we can utilize in business rule. Select OK. Now continue. Name VR. Name the business role for CC4 B000. Select the category, change log, check, and analysis type changes, status in review. Okay. Now click on next. Select all the fields for analysis. Put it right side. Click on next. Then select filter criteria. Click on client. One field in filter criteria. Go to the deficiency criteria, which is very important. Select deficiency. Click on select handler and select the handler. Okay. And here in deficiency field, select changes and transfer for client specific object. Okay. Field analysis type. Select changes. Next, conditions and calculations. Select a deficiency indicator. Scroll down. Click high. Go to the next. Remain as it is. Conditions and calculations. Go to the next. In output format, select fields. Select client name as well. Click on OK. Now let's see the technical analysis. Locally fine, synchronization fine, update fine, undet fine. What next? Query. So in query, it's not yet connected this, so it will show it is not connected. Just check here, check start. In a valid time frame or year. Okay. So what to do? Here select year. Okay. Once again start, once again message will prompt. Data not found. So connected is not linked. This issue will come here. Select here data collection. And then start. Connector not found. This will come. Once it will be connected in backend, this save button will be enabled. And once you save, this business rule framework will be saved.